As I've talked about before, my first introduction to Cam Auto was the glue and the hard pulling results I got from it. So my first kit actually was the PDR Warrior kit. Let's go through and take a look at what we've got. Inside, you'll find our OG crease tabs, multiple sizes. You'll find our textured face tabs, multiple shapes and sizes. Our flat tabs, terrific hard pulling tabs. You'll find in each size in that variety pack. You'll see our M4 hook heads. Up in this corner here, you'll see a single and triple 3D tab. Those can be bent and one up, one down, both up, both down, however you see fit, but those wings will provide a strong hard pull and fit the shape of your dent. Strongest pulling tabs in the world. Inside here, you're gonna see a bag of our hook heads for our flex tabs. They're strong, durable plastic that go right inside of our flex tabs. We have our 1.5 inch here, our 2 inch here, both in 6-inch strips. Additionally, you'll see a 0.8, a 1.5, and a 2 inch flex tab. You can bend the single, secondary, and third, however you see fit, and they slide right down. The only tip that I have is when you place this tab, push on the back side of the tab to make sure you get great even pressure. Don't press on the back side of this hook because it will create an odd gap and you won't get a great glue bed, which weakens your glue bond. Next item up is our tabs. You can glue these on the back side and pull in a lateral tension fashion if you need. You can use it as a slapping a crown. Most of the time I use this for this angled edge to kind of chisel underneath. You don't want to do it through the whole tab because you don't want to create any additional damage, but you certainly want to make sure that you get that loose and get your alcohol in to get that bond broken after you've made the pull that you need. Inside this bag you will see 3 rods, and that goes in these hook heads. Speaking of which, going right down the line, you have a straight hook head tab, a flexible, more of a crease hook head tab, a curved, solid, the long OG crease tab like we just talked about up here in this front corner, and then another curved solid, but this has this and this both have our M6 hook head studs. It's just a little bit bigger, a little beefier for a harder pull. Going right down the line, you have this can slide right into your slide hammer, and then it has a tab saver and can be used with our cold glue. You can put this into a slide hammer and use this hook if you would use it on a rod and you wanted that nice pop. Our I-bar tab, this is great if you want to have 2 points of contact. You can put glue here and here and do your pull that way, or take it off and use a pressure or friction jack to spread that apart if that's what you desire to do. In addition to this, it comes with our Elite Pro puller, now standard with our internal compression spring. You can do micro adjustments by your finger, or with a 9mm, you can make macro adjustments and drive that in and out quickly. And then our dual feet, which are perfect for sitting on a rail or an odd shaped surface. That's our PDR Warrior kit. You can't go wrong, guys.